Hello, everybody. This is Mike again from the Quarter Mile Garage, bringing to you another old kit and that stuff that I've built a long time ago. When I was younger, after the 34 Ford truck, I received for Christmas two of the AMT 1966 Mercury parklanes. My mom and dad gave me one, and my Uncle Johnny gave me one. Kind of funny, I ended up with two of them. But this kit also is kind of a fondness for me because I remember receiving it and building it when I was in grade school. The only one that survived to this day is this light blue one here, which I built factory stock. It's the 427 1966 Mercury parklane. Give her a little spin here and let you take a look at it. Not too bad for, a grade school kid at that time. But as you can see, use the old silver paint for the chrome trim back then. The old testers, light blue paint. This one's built basically right straight out of the box. The other one that I built it with all the custom pieces and painted it white with a set of light blue flames on it. I have no idea what ever happened to that car over the years. It just kind of vanished. Let's see if we can get the hood off this. As you can see, this was built straight out of the box. They resemble stock Mercury back then. Well, many, many years later, this kit came back out available many years later after I was married. So I decided I wanted to rebuild the custom version. So I went and redid the custom version with the skills I have now and how I would have really probably wanted to do it back then. The car has been painted pearl white and has the metallic light blue and metallic dark blue flames overlaid. And back then I had no idea how to chop a top, so this time I chopped the top on it. It has all the custom pieces from the kit again. Set of lake pipes from my parts box. But this time around, I decided to go a little bit crazier with the flames. Last time it was just the blue flames that run just down the side. That was all I did back then. Like I say, this time, a little bit more skill. I wanted to do what I dreamed of doing back then. We will show you here. This car is flamed top to bottom. I even got a little bit of fogging, as you can see around the edges of the blue on there. And I say a double layer of flames in there. I don't know if we can see inside too well. It's a two-tone blue and white interior. The 427 dual quad Mercury Marauder motor in that. This is how I would have liked to have done that one a long time ago. So I was really happy when they brought this kit back out. Of course, I bought a couple of them. And being a drag racer at heart, Later on, I'll tell you another story about how my dad got me addicted to that watching his buddy street race. So I decided I wanted to do a nostalgia super stock version of this Mercury. So I've got the little red one called the Red Devil. It's also got the 427 Mercury Marauder motor in it. Let me show you the hood there. The devil on it. The old teardrop hood scoop. This is my version of a nostalgia super stock 66 Mercury parklane. Like I say, I was really happy when they re-released this kit. I was really tickled. I've got a few of them in my collection. I'll probably do several different variations. The same way with this one. See if we can get that hood to pop loose. This one also has the 427 dual quad Marauder engine. I really would like to have one of these in real life. I think this would be awesome to have for a nostalgia super stock. The hood don't fit very well, or the hood don't slide back in very easily, but we'll fix it later. And just for fun, they released this 64 Mercury Marauder kit around the same time. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to do one of those as a nostalgia super stock also. Of course, it's also the 427. I call this one the Midnight Marauder. It seems to me I remember hearing that name like on a Bugs Bunny cartoon or something, and it just fit. It's a Mercury Marauder. It's black. Red interior. The name just fits with it. I think it's quite catchy, you know. Give her a little spin here slowly, let you take a look at her.
Let it focus first. Okay.
Yeah, this is the AMT 64 Mercury Marauder Nostalgia Super Stock. Like I say, I have this fondness for drag racing because of my dad. Again, the 427 dual quad Mercury motor in the thing. I just thought you'd kind of get a kick out of seeing another one of my old cars and threw in some others and stuff along with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.